Hi guys, this is Miss Nyaboke's kitchen, and here we are today trying to prepare boiled fried potatoes. So have some potatoes chopped and bring them to boil so that you can be able to cook them. Make sure you don't overcook them. Just boil them a bit and put some salt. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell just to make sure that you keep watching more. So there our potatoes, they're well and ready, and I've put them in a double-sided pan and put on some spice and some oil just to make sure they don't stick. I like putting less oil so that they don't stick. Keep turning them and put some low heat to make sure that they don't stick and they don't burn. So there I am turning one by one so that the sides are cooked evenly and to make sure that it is well done. To make it sweet and to enhance the taste, make sure you apply some margarine or butter so that you get that beautiful taste on the potatoes. So get a kitchen brush if you have one and apply on each and every potato as it keeps cooking. That's why we put less oil, so that if we add some margarine or butter, it gives it that amazing taste of the margarine on potatoes. So keep applying as you keep turning them just to make sure that we have a beautiful end. There, my potatoes are looking good. As we need to add some beef curry masala, so just sprinkle some on top of the potatoes to enhance the taste and make it amazing so that you can have very tasteful potatoes. So just put some spice to your taste and to what you like, so that you make sure that the potatoes are coated with this masala, beef masala. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel as we continue turning the potatoes, and I hope you can see how yummy the potatoes look. They are well coated, they are brown, and you can see the masala is coated around the potatoes. So keep turning until they are brown to your taste. You need to be patient as you're turning them so that you make sure if you leave them to one side, then it means that the potatoes will overcook on one side. So it's best that you stand there and keep turning them so that you get that finish that you're looking for. Wow, there we are. Our potatoes are ready, people. Get some ketchup. Don't forget to subscribe and check out other videos on how to cook various meals. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.